Well, it's October the 23rd, 2024, and I hadn't intended to do an update on the Opendoor Country Store so soon, but I drove by there and there was quite a lot of work going on, so I thought I would fly up there and see what was happening. So I'm flying up a little bit over the neighborhood. There's Emerald Mountain Parkway in the foreground. And flying up towards the stables and then the fire station. It's a gorgeous day. You can see Coventry right there in the middle of the screen, upper left-hand part of the screen. Here we have a layout of the property where the Opendoor Country Store will be situated, and everybody's busy at work down there. The backhoes, the bulldozers, the trucks moving the dirt around the lot, leveling it out. It's going to be quite an exciting time here for the next 8 or 9 months while they build this and put this all together. This is where Old Ware Road, Jackson Road, and Mitchell Creek converge, just past the fire station there in Emerald Mountain. And we'll zoom in here a little bit and you'll see the actual store layout. This is looking toward Mitchell Creek. What a great blessing Brett's Opendoor Country Store will be to the Emerald Mountain community and all the other neighborhoods along Jackson Road, like Brookwood, Coventry, Dillon's Creek, Jackson Trace, and the Crossing, and all the other smaller neighborhoods, Mulder Cove, that are in the Redland community. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.